This software will help you to warm up multiple Instagram accounts, saving your time and reduce the risk of being shadow banned. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the software will help you to auto warm up multiple Instagram account to help you reduce the risk of being shadow banned on your Instagram accounts. So this is my software I currently using to manage multiple Instagram accounts. So first of all is account management. So in this function, you can add and manage unlimited Instagram account that you want, and you can choose select the account that you want like this, and left click and to log in Instagram, and the software will auto open browser and log into the account that you choose. And you also can add the policy in here to manage multiple policy that you want, and you can add this policy to the account that you want. Okay, so next to warm up multiple Instagram account, I will go to account direction function, and so first I will select the account that I want to warm up first, and next I will select the script. If you don't have the script already, you can choose a script to make the new script, and in here you can choose a script about general interaction, interact with keyword or account interaction. So in general interaction, you will interact with the new feed. You will read notifications, scroll new feeds, like posts, scroll story, like story, the mediation that the normal people is using. And with keyword interaction, you can enter the keyword that you want to interact with. And in the account interaction, you can enter the account, the username that you want to interact with. Okay, so after having a script about the warm up your account, you press save to save the script, and you will select the script that you already add in here. And after everything set up, I will start and let the software warm up my account. So in here you can see the software will auto open browser and log into the account that you choose, and will auto warm up to my account. Okay, so basically just show you the software will help you to auto warm up multiple Instagram account to help you reduce the risk of being shadow banned in your Instagram account. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me in my Telegram or WhatsApp, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel to see more video about automation software.